Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Now we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see right here, right now we are using automatic options. So first of all, we have to turn off all of them, or maybe not all, the last one can stay, in order to be able to manually set the date. Now let's tap on this option, and from the calendar pick the date you want to use, confirm it with tapping on done. The same situation with the time, just by swiping set the time you want to use and confirm it. And of course, as you can see, it will be immediately applied. We can change the time zone also, so just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available ones, so find yours and tap on it, for example this one. Of course, it will be immediately applied, and be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you've got the time format, so you can also customize it. Currently we are using 24-hour one. We can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, and again it will be immediately applied. So it's basically up to you which option you want to use. So this is the whole manual customization. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here to set the automatic date time and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.